The GM series of enclosed disconnects from Lovato offer NEMA 4 rated metal and stainless steel enclosure options, so you can reliably de-energize circuits and safely cut off power to an electrical circuit or to a group of electrical circuits. Ideal for use in applications involving packaging, pumps, automatic car washing equipment, fans, conveyance machinery, as well as usage in the food processing industry, these enclosed disconnects have a pistol handle that is padlockable and has a latch closing door. Surface mountable, the GM series has an amp range of 30 amps to 400 amps and is suitable for up to 3-pole usages and has a fused disconnect switch. For more information on the GM series of enclosed disconnects from Lovato, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted.